being set number 1 for Letran. Let's see here. That drop. Well recovered. Makam goes for the attack.
Tinanong ko rin yan si Vince kung bakit naninibago ako sa performance niya. Pero bago natin pag-usapan.
2 points up para sa Letran. Here's UST. Where you have that ability to go high up. At talagang same thing here as we take a look at the sequence, JV.
Powerful attack para kay Makam. Programa ng UE. Under kay Coach Rafi Masuela.
Kang ka pa rin, JV, sumagaysay.
Frustrated setter pala. Si Lardizabal, tsaka si Makam, si Sumagaysay. Yan yung mga magkakalaban ng junior years nila.
Daxiambao with a good serve.
That's na lang.
Yep. Unless UST could come up well that time around as Trevor Valera.
Ina-activate talaga ng UST yung atake nito ni Trevor.
Down by 5 again. Lardizabal. Good serve. Sabi ni Jiboy,
maganda sa team. Kahit galing siya sa error sa service area, pababawiin agad siya ni Avila para hindi
may mga subplots up place for Letran. Necessary adjustment.
And much needed point yon para hindi maputol yung momentum nila.
3 for Letran to take the first set. Sumagaysay with that good serve. The most important thing for Letran, the way I have noticed it, basta ipasok lang nila Daxiambao. See how he can manage here. Oh! Hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung disappointment. The block by Letran. Sally goes for it. We are at 5 set points here for Letran, UST.
Backer sa UST. Kailangan nilang masolusyonan dahil ang daming combination play netong Letran Knights.
Saran. And Simpson well aware. And have they done it now? 25-20 as Letran.
Defense ang ginawa na ito ni Sally.
Saba with a good set. Now, J-Boy. Way.
Kailangan makarecover and alam naman natin na veterano na to.
Oo naman.
Harap pa rin manood sa personal.
Oo naman.
Live. Kasi makikita mo yung intensity tulad, yung power. Tulad
pa.
Iba yung intensity pagka sa live ka talaga nanood.
That's right. The lead once again. Started off 2-0. Babawi ba? No.
Back block points para dito kay Sally. Ang hirap i-challenge.
10 serving 11. Thanks for a very interesting set number 2.
Iba yung bigat eh. Iba yung bigat ng atake nito ni Makam.
Ano? And just like that, we are deadlocked at 12. Not anymore. 13 serving 12. Let's see how Letran will react. Gets blocked again. Jin Cuarto earlier with that dig on that attack by J-Boy. Yun lang, naging regalo na yun.
Hindi na hinintay.
Well, dito rin sa Letran, ito rin si Lawrence Vicente. I don't think we saw him earlier, di ba? Ngayon lang. Pero
kahit sobrang lakas ng palo mo, 1 point pa din yan.
1 point lang. Kaya niyan. He sure did make an impact in the... Good serve again, Hernandez. UST. Letran
Kung kanina, nadepensahan yung atake ni Valera ngayon, eto naman si Umandal. Bukas na bukas.
We have this at 23-16, huh? Okay, I know.
Okay. Sa kanya na.
Multiple set. Habulin. And Bauer is set. Oh, what a great combination right there for US. Number 2. We'll have set number 3. Nice combination for UST right there. Well, I do believe there's still a lot of this adrenaline dahil nga nakuha nila yung second set for US. Good serve and ace.
Nakakadalawa na to.
Deadlocked at 6. Okay, go!
Big line eto si Sumagaysay. Yung advantage na meron si De Vega, lamang na lamang.
Try the 1-2. Got blocked right there. With Macom.
Rinig na rinig.
Close set number 3. Oh, man, naman after tasting victories. Good service. G-Boy.
Lang sabi ni Coach.
Yes. Seeing a great rally and a great finish right there.
Ang taas ng porsyento neto ni Umandal.
Kaya nga.
Every time na aatake siya. Kahit cross-court, sa bagay, isa na rin sa veterano dito sa side ng UST.
An ace for UST.
Sa middle blocker, may iniinda sa daliri.
Di lang yung iniinda eh. When you feel the pain,
Magbablock ka talaga.
kaya nga eh.
Lahat ng halos ng atake ng kalaban tatama sa kamay mo.
Somehow with that sequence, a good play para sa Letran, but UST, well,
Kay Sherwin Umandal na.
Bana, gawa pa ng paraan. It's still in play. Letran was able to dig it. Oh, yun lang.
Nagawan din.
Over reception. But ball still in play. That attack. Sherwin Umandal. Letran able to save. Pero UST will get it off an attack this match. And this is something that's working. Especially the good service. Porsche. Back row. Well, our own advantage for Letran.
Unti-unti na nakaka-recover yung Letran, pero puputuli.
By UST, giving him a 1-point advantage. Nathan!
Na ni Siriaco yung atake na trigo.
Perfectly timed that play, Doc Simba. Ducks at the service area. Nathan once again.
Ngayon, eto naman, si Siriaco.
Good effort right there.
Letran Knights, yung floor defense nila.
Loving what he's seeing. They have this 2-point advantage. Tit for tat. Anything you can.
Pero naman ngayon, ang nagiging X-factor para dito sa side ng UST. Every time na binibigay sa taas ng talon niya. Parang may show.
That's what I'm talking about.
At doon na natapos.
Yun.
Tinapos.
Second technical timeout with the lead. Letran will be doing it.
Ni Sumagaysay.
Abida. Sets it up. Solid.
Yung atake na yun, rinig na rinig dito sa loob ng Paco Arena yung atake neto.
The pace. Yung mga showdown na yun. Pero ang UST sabi nila, hindi, ataw pa rin.
Ang tangkad, ang taas tumalon.
Trying to break the deadlock here. Let's UST will find themselves on top. UST.
Yung mga ganung pagkakataon kasi hindi yun na-challenge.
Yun nga. Tala eto. Gave up 2 sets. The next 2 sets to UST. Oh! Error situation for them. Ducks with a set. Trying to be quick about it. G-Boy. Ball still in play. Ducks going back set. And kaya pa ba? Aba, nagawan pa ng paraan. With UST scrambling dito ang Letran.
Buhay pa.
For Letran.
Hindi na inisip ng Letran Knights kung ano yung babagsak kanila. Pero eto na.
Yun na yun.
Tinapos na ni Sally.
No more chance.